Welcome to Solution Zone. Here you get videos on how to, tricks and tips, facts, answers, and many more. Hit the subscription button so as not to miss out any content from us.
According to Bloomberg, an iPhone factory in the southern Chinese city of Shenzhen was forced by the Chinese government to lock down a 7-day closed loop, along with 100 other companies in an effort to limit the spread of the virus infected with COVID-19. The closed-loop system will mean that only employees who live on site can work, blocking out-site access and largely banning anyone from leaving the plant. A Foxconn spokesman said that despite the new lockdown, operations at the factory remained normal. Foxconn's factory in Shenzhen is the second largest after iPhone City in Jingzhou, China. However, the new lockdown puts additional pressure on the already struggling supply chains that are impacting the tech giants. The duration of the lockdown is also of interest, as Foxconn is expected to begin mass production of the next iPhone 14 in a few weeks, ahead of its September launch. In 2020, amid widespread lockdowns and uncertainty, Apple had to delay the launch of the iPhone 12 until October, a month late due to supply chain issues. While a similar sequence of events probably won't happen this year, the lockdown could mean a limited number of launches for customers. Thank you for watching. Leave us your thought about this in the comments section. And for more updates in the technology world and Apple in particular, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. We hope to see you in our next video.